Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we did an installation of a walk-in cooler with refrigeration equipment for a restaurant. And behind me you can see the evaporator coil. It's a 3-fan. 1, 2, 3 fan, and we did the hose for the copper line right up here. It goes to there, up onto the roof for the condenser unit. I got my PVC line coming down from my drain. Goes across. It goes on here, right on the other side of that wall. There's a drain, and we did the box. Box is the box is 7 feet wide to this side, 7 feet wide, 10 feet long, and 7 feet high. So we're waiting for the electricians to come out and wire it up. So tomorrow we're gonna come out and do what's called the startup, turn it on, make sure it's working okay, the manufacturer specs. So another happy customer, he already posted a review for us on his own as well. So 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay? All right guys, 24/7. See you guys in the next video. All right, bye-bye.